Hi, I'm Sachikara. Today we will solve exercise 19-27 from chapter 19, Inventory Cost Management Strategies. Please pause the video to read the question and then continue with the video to follow along with the solution. Based on the information provided in this question, let's gather our key information. D, our annual demand, is 120,000 pairs of shoes. P, our ordering cost is $275. C, our annual carrying cost is $2.40 per pair. And in question number 2, it tells us that it approximately takes 1 week to receive the order. So our lead time is 1 week. So let's get started with solving the first of the 4 questions that's asked for this particular exercise. In the first question, we have to solve for EOQ, as you remember the formula, which is square root of 2 times D times P over C. For our particular exercise, that is square root of 2 times 120,000 pairs of shoes, which is our demand, times $275 for our purchase order costs, divided by $2.40 of carrying costs, which results in 5,244 pairs of shoes. Second question is for calculating the reorder point. First, we need to calculate weekly demand, which is equal to monthly demand divided by 4. In this question, our monthly demand is 10,000 shoes divided by 4, which is equal to 2,500 pairs of shoes per week. We already know that our lead time is 1 week, and so our reorder point is 2,500 pairs of shoes per week times 1 week of lead time, which is equal to 2,500 pairs of shoes. So we should place the order as soon as our stock is at about 2,500 pairs of shoes. Third question is about solving for safety stock, as well as how this would have an impact on the reorder point and reorder quantity. So let's get started. Safety stock is a buffer against unexpected increase in demand. In our question, it indicates that there is a variation of demand of up to 20%. So this is what we need to take into consideration when we are calculating our safety stock. So for this particular question, safety stock is equal to 20% times the monthly demand of 10,000 pairs of shoes, which is equal to 2,000 pairs of shoes. The reorder point has to take into consideration the safety stock that we calculated above. So for reorder point, we have to take weekly demand plus the safety stock, which is equal to 2,500 pairs of shoes that we calculated in question number 2, plus the 2,000 pairs of shoes for safety stock. So our reorder point now is sitting at 4,500 pairs of shoes. Now for the economic order quantity, it still remains at 5,244 pairs of shoes as we had calculated in question number 1. This is because our annual demand, our ordering cost, and our carrying cost are all the same as we had for question number 1. Let's look at the last and the final question for this exercise. We need to now figure out the total relevant ordering and carrying costs with safety stock and without safety stock. So let's prepare 3 columns. The first column is for the description, the second column is without safety stock calculation, and the third column is for with safety stock calculation. The first row is total relevant ordering cost. The formula for total relevant ordering cost is demand over economic order quantity times the purchasing cost. For without safety stock, basically we know that the demand is 120,000 pairs of shoes divided by the solution from question number 1 for EOQ, which is 5,244 pairs of shoes, times our P of $275, which gives us 6,292.91 cents. For with safety stock, the answer is essentially the same because our relevant ordering cost really does not change with or without the safety stock. Moving on to total relevant carrying costs, the formula is EOQ over 2 plus the safety stock times our carrying costs. So for without safety stock, we know our EOQ is 5244 divided by 2 plus, because we are solving for no safety stock, our safety stock value is 0, times our carrying cost of $2.40, which results in $6,292.80. For with safety stock, essentially it's the same EOQ of 5244 divided by 2 plus 2,000 pairs of shoes that we would always have for safety, times the C of 2.40, which gives us a value of $11,092.80. Hence, our total relevant costs are $12,585.61 for without safety stock and $17,385.61 for safety stock.